Have you ever wondered how we manufacture fabrics? Come into Lafayette. Let's take a trip through the factory. Everything starts at the extrusion plant with the polyester chip, which is processed at very high temperatures, and when heated, it allows us to create different varieties of yarns. In fact, every month we produce enough yarn to go back and forth to the moon 58 times. And still we make sure that each production batch has the density, humidity, and resistance required to go through the weaving process. In this mill, which is the same size as 14 professional soccer fields, we produce woven fabrics as well as warp knits and circular knits. Within a universe of more than 1,500 machines, which produce rolls and rolls of raw fabrics, each machine is configured and each yarn is set in motion carefully to produce enough meters of fabric in a year to cover the distance between the North Pole and the South Pole. And so we reach the third plant, where we do the finishing. In this phase we wash, dye, set, print, finish, inspect, and innovate in the laboratory to make smart textiles with functional attributes that go beyond your expectations, such as solar protection, water repellent, waterproof, or flame retardant, among many others. Did you know that we are the only textile company in the region that has 3 vertically integrated plants to produce filament yarn, wovens and knits, and finishing in one location? And this is how this textile process ends. We really wanted to share it with you. On behalf of the more than 2,000 people who work in Lafayette, we assure you that we will do everything in our power, from the production of the yarn to the last meter of finished product, so that your fabrics are always in the best conditions and with superior quality. Lafayette, friendly experts that power your brand.